Green Creative's new click design surface mount downlights are available in round and square form factors and come in 3 sizes ranging from 550 lumens to 1200 lumens. All downlights use the latest in edge lighting technology to produce a smooth, uniform lighting effect. These naturally low glare downlights integrate seamlessly into all ceiling applications. For J-box installation, simply attach the mounting bracket and use the provided LED adapters to connect to line voltage. Once connected, push the downlight into the mounting bracket until it clicks in place. For recessed can installation, insert the mounting clips into the designated locations on the back of the downlight and use the E26 adapter to connect to line voltage. Push the downlight into the can until it's securely in the ceiling. All downlights feature SootheOptic technology that reduces high-angle light and minimize visual glare, making them ideal choices for both commercial and residential applications. The Click Design surface mount downlights are available in both 120 volt and universal voltage versions, are high CRI and wet location rated, and come with a 50,000 hour lifetime and 5-year warranty. To learn more about these great new products, visit greencreative.com.